Welcome to Python Turtle Graphics Tutorials. This is our video number 24 and in this video we will see that how to create this beautiful design in Python Turtle library. So first of all we will import Turtle library. Next we will specify the background color of the screen which is black. Next we will specify the speed with which the turtle will draw the design. 0 means the maximum speed. Next, turtle.pen size means the thickness of the pen, which is 2. Then turtle.pen color, which is blue. Next, we will create a function named drawCircle, in which we will pass radius of the circle, and we will create a for loop for I in range 10. Now in this for loop we will write turtle.circle, in which we will pass radius of the circle and radius equal to radius minus 4. So as the I value will keep on increasing, so this radius will keep on decreasing. So basically this function is just to create a circle. Now to create this design using these circles, we will create another function named drawDesign. Now in this function we will create for loop for I in range 10. In this for loop we will call this drawCircle function, specify the radius which is 150 and specify the angle turtle.right angle in clockwise direction of 36 degree. In the end we will call this drawDesign function and write turtle.done to pause the screen when the application will run. Now simply I will execute this piece of code. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel.